Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this blue shaded polygon A, B, C, D, E, F, A, and this red shaded right triangle A, E, F, put together as you can see in this given diagram, such that all these interior angles are 90 degrees each. And moreover, this base BC length is 9 centimeter, whereas this side CD length is being represented by X. And furthermore, the area of this blue shaded region has been given to us as 36 centimeter square, whereas the area of this red right triangle is 9 centimeter square. And now our task is to find the value of X. In other words, we are going to find this CD length. And bear in mind that we are not supposed to be using calculators of any kind. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. We know the area of this blue shaded region is 36 centimeter square, whereas the area of this other right triangle AEF is 9 centimeter square. So therefore we are going to go over the basic review before we proceed any further. And let's focus on this rectangle ABCD along with this main diagonal AC. Then we can see that this diagonal AC is going to divide the area of this given rectangle into two equal parts. This area is going to be equal to this area. If the area of this bottom right triangle is uppercase A, then the area of this upper triangle is going to be uppercase A as well. And likewise, if we have a diagonal BD the other way around, then likewise this diagonal is going to divide the area of this rectangle into two equal parts. The area of this upper triangle, if that area is uppercase A, then the area of this bottom right triangle is going to be uppercase A as well. In other words, the area of this triangle is going to be identical to this triangle area. And we are going to apply this concept on this given problem. So therefore we are going to think outside the box. And we are going to draw some auxiliary lines to make our job simple. As you can see in this next step, here I have extended this side BA all the way to this point P. And likewise I have extended DE all the way to this point P as well, such that this angle APE is a 90 degrees angle. And as a result, we are ended up with this red rectangle AFEP along with this AE as its diagonal. And as a result, the area of this triangle APE is going to be equal to the area of this red shaded triangle, which is 9 centimeter square. So therefore the area of this triangle APE turns out to be 9 centimeter square as well. And now we are going to focus on this big rectangle BCDP. And this big rectangle BCDP consists of these three areas. This 36 centimeter square, this 9 centimeter square, and likewise this 9 centimeter square as well. So therefore the area of this big rectangle is going to be equal to the sum of all these individual areas. The area 36 plus 9 plus 9, and if we add, that is going to give us 54 centimeter square. So thus our this big blue rectangle area turns out to be equal to 54. And now let's recall the area of rectangle formula. Area is always equal to length times the width of the rectangle. And in our case, the length of this rectangle is 9 centimeter, whereas the width is x. So therefore, this big rectangle area is going to be simply 9 times the width is x. And now we are going to compare these two equations. And we can see this first equation represents the area of this big blue rectangle. And likewise, the second equation represents the area of this very same rectangle as well. So therefore, we are going to equate the right hand sides. So therefore, we can write 9 times x is going to be equal to 54. And now we are going to divide both sides by 9 to isolate x. And here we can see 9 and 9 is gone. So therefore, our x value simply turns out to be equal to 6 centimeter. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, our x value turns out to be 6 centimeter. In other words, this x value is going to be equal to 6 centimeter. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.